In today's lecture, we are going to learn dead code elimination. What is dead code elimination? Basically, the code which we are not going to use in our code further, that is known as dead code elimination. So we can say eliminate the code which will not be used further, known as dead code. So better we can eliminate that code. Why to use that? Why to keep that code in our code when we are not going to use further? So we will see with the one example that what is the meaning of dead code here. So suppose one example is there in which what I'm taking T2 value as 10, T3 value as 30, right? T1 is equal to T2 plus T3, or I'm taking one value T5 is equal to 60 and T7 is equal to 70, and I'm assigning that T1 is equal to T5 into T7, and now I'm printing printf T1, right? So here we are able to see that what we are doing in printing, we are doing T1, right? And T1 what we are taking T5 which value is 60 and T7 which value is 70. So we are using only T5 and T7 and we are printing T1, while earlier we have defined T2 is equal to 10 and T3 is equal to 30, and we have defined T1 is equal to T2 plus T3. This code we are not using. This code we are not using further. So this code is known as dead code. This code is known as dead code. So what is the solution for that? This is the problem we can say, or we can say the example. And the solution for this is what? Solution for this is what? That we need to eliminate that code. So what will be the final code? Final code will be T5 is equal to 60, T7 is equal to 70, and T1 is equal to T5 into T7, and we are printing F T1, right? So this will be the output. So this is the solution, this is the problem where we are having dead code. Now I am taking another example. In another example, what I am writing, suppose I am writing T1 is equal to display, that is a function, and T1 is equal to 20. And what I am doing printf T1. I am printing T1 only. So now, as we will say that this is also, we are not using display, we are simply display the value 20. No, it's not like this, because it's a function. It's a function, so we can't remove it, and it is not a dead code because it also did some other work in the program. So what we can say, it is a function. It is a function, so can't remove it, and that is the meaning of that. It is not dead code. It is not dead code, or we can say because it's a function, so it will also did some work, or we can say some other work in program. So that's all about what is dead code and how we can eliminate the dead code in code optimization in compiler design. In the next lecture, we are going to learn common sub expression elimination. If you like it, subscribe it, comment below. Thank you.